Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So children, in the last class we already started a new lesson. Other needs, clothes and shelter. Is it? So in the previous class we have learned about the clothes. Is it? As I told you before, the three basic needs. So which are the three basic needs? It is food, clothes, shelter. So now we have learned about the food, the clothes. Now we are going to learn about the shelter. Okay, so how shelter is important? Shelter means we also call it as home. Shelter or home. Okay, so how home or houses is important? Why it is important for us? Houses protect us from heat, cold, rain, thieves, violence. Okay, so these houses protect us from enemies and bad weather. Okay, so we need houses because houses protect us from enemies and bad weather. Bad weather in the sense it is heat, cold, rain, all those things. So we all feel safe in the house, is it? Our belongings are safe in the house. So house is important for everyone. Not only the human beings, even the animals has house, even the birds have their nest, is it? So all the living things they need a house to live in. Okay, so early man used to live in open and in caves. They used to live in the forest, is it? They used to live in the caves. But now we have different types of houses to live in, is it? Because why do we need house? Houses protect us from heat, cold, rain and thieves, even wild animals. Okay, so we feel safe and comfortable in our house, is it? So our belongings are safe. Our belongings are safe and we feel comfortable in our house. So even not only the human beings, even the birds, animals, all they have their house, is it? The birds live in the nest. Some worms they live on the leaves. Is it? So like this we have different types of houses also. Okay, so house is important for everyone. So we have different types of houses. Mainly it is kacha house and pakka house. So what is this kacha house? Okay, so before this I used to tell some people, okay, the early men, they used to wander from place to place. They won't live in a same place. Okay, they used to wander. They don't have any permanent houses. They wandered from one place to another. So what do we call them? They are called as nomads. They don't have any permanent houses. Okay, so now we have the types of houses. There have been two types of houses. One is kacha house and the second is pakka house. So what is this kacha house? The kacha house are made up of mud, stick, okay, leaves, etc. So these kacha house are made up of mud, stick, leaves. So these type of houses are mainly found in villages. Okay, so these kacha house are made up of mud, stick, leaves, etc. So we can find these type of kacha houses mainly in villages. And the second type of house it is pakka house. So pakka house is made up of cement, brick, steel, etc. So these type of houses are called as pakka house. And where do we find the pakka house? So pakka house we can find in cities, towns. Okay, nowadays in villages also we have pakka houses. Okay, so these houses are sturdy. Okay, so they are sturdy and they last for many years. Okay, so pakka houses are made up of what about the fish? It lives in water. And you can see some worms. They live on the leaves. Okay, so not only the human beings, all the other, okay, so animals, birds, even they have houses. They need houses to live in. Okay, and an ideal house. Okay, an ideal house. What all the ideal house? Okay, either an ideal house has what all rooms? An ideal house should be one kitchen, drawing room, bedroom, study room, dining room and bathroom. So these are the rooms which should be in an ideal house. So kitchen, where cook, okay, where the mother will cook the food, is it? And drawing room, when the guests are coming, will they sit in the drawing room and they will talk, is it? What about bedroom? They will sleep, is it? Study room, the children study in this room. Dining room, we will have our lunch, breakfast, dinner in the dining room. Bathroom, we used to take bath in the bathroom. So these are the rooms which should be there in an ideal house. Okay children, so this was about the houses. So okay, shelter or home. So the three basic needs are food, clothes, shelter. So these are the three basic needs for all the human beings. So houses, why do we need house? House protect us from enemies and bad weather. Okay, bad weather in the sense it is heat, cold or what? Rain. Okay, and we feel safe and our belongings are safe in the house. Okay children, so and we also have two types of houses, that is kacha house and pakka house. So kacha house are made up of mud, sticks, leaves, etc. So we can find these kacha houses mainly in the villages. And the next type is pakka house. Pakka house are made up of cement, brick, steel, etc. So these type of houses are mainly found in cities and towns. Okay, so now in the cities we can also find the skyscrapers. So they are multi-story buildings. So we can find many flats, apartments. Okay, so in apartments and flats we can find there are a number of houses there. Is it? So and what are the rooms? An ideal house should be there. It is kitchen, drawing room, bedroom, study room, dining room and bathroom. So this was about the shelter. So here I have completed the explanation of this other needs, clothes and shelters. Now everyone open your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook. We will complete the textbook exercises. Okay. Be ready with your pencil, sharpener, eraser. Now we are going to fill the textbook exercises. Okay children, everyone open your textbook. So children, now everyone open your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook. Okay. So in that page number 192. Page number 192. So we'll start to complete the exercises. First name the given pictures. So you can see the pictures here, right? So we should name it. So what is the first picture? Yes, it is frog. Write down F-R-O-C-K. Frog. And what is this? These are gumboots. G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S. Gumboots. And what is this? Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. And what is this? Trouser. T-R-O-U-S-E-R. Trouser. And what is this? skirt. S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. Okay. So first one is frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. Gumboots. G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S. Gumboots. Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Trouser. T-R-O-U-S-E-R. Trouser. Skirt. S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. So now we'll move on to the second mean. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. What is the first question? We get wool from sheep, monkey, lion. So the answer is sheep. We get wool from sheep, is it? Tick here. Next, cotton comes from cotton plant, apple tree, rose plant. Where do we get cotton from? Cotton plant. Tick cotton plant. The next, silkworm gives us jute, silk, nylon. It is silk. Tick here. Okay, so I'll repeat. We get wool from sheep. Tick here. Second, cotton comes from cotton plant. Tick here. Silkworm gives us silk. Okay, tick here. Next we'll move on to the third mean. Name the following. First one, houses made of cement, brick. Okay, so what do we call houses made of cement and brick? We call it as Pakka house, is it? So write down P-U-C-C-A, Pakka house. H-O-U-S-E, Pakka house. Okay. So next, multi-storied building. So which are the multi-storied building? Apartments. Okay. Write down A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T-S. Apartments. So multi-storied buildings are apartments. A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T-S. Apartments. Types of houses seen in village. So in villages we can find which type of houses? Yes, it is Kacha house. Write down K-U-T-C-H-A. Kacha house. H-O-U-S-E. Okay. Types of houses seen in village. Kacha house. K-U-T-C-H-A. Kacha house. H-O-U-S-E. House. So next, people not having permanent house. So the people, they don't have permanent house. They used to wander from place to place. So what do we call that people? They are nomads. N-O-M-A-D-S. Nomads. Next, gumboot and raincoat are used in. So when do we use this gumboot and raincoat? In rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Rainy season. So gumboot and raincoat are used in rainy season. Okay. So next, nylon and polyester these both are synthetic fiber. Is it? So write down synthetic, synthetic fibers. Fibres, synthetic fibers. Okay. So nylon and polyester both are synthetic fibers. synthetic, synthetic fibers. fibres, fibers. So next we move on to the G. We throw our dirt in. Where do we throw all the dirt and garbages? In dustbin. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. So we throw our dirt in dustbin. Okay children, so like this you have to fill the third main. Name the following. Next we'll move on to fourth main. Name the rooms found in an ideal house. So write down kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Dining room. D-I-N-I-N-G, dining room. R-O-O-M, dining room. Then drawing room. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing room. R-O-O-M, room. Next, study room. S-T-U-D-Y, study room. R-O-O-M, study room. Bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M, bedroom. Bathroom. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M, bathroom. So, name the rooms found in an ideal house. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Dining room. D-I-N-I-G, dining room. R-O-O-M, room. Drawing room. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing room. R-O-O-M, room. Study room. S-T-U-D-Y, study room. R-O-O-M, study room. Bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M, bedroom. Bathroom. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M, bathroom. Okay children. So now we'll move on to the fifth main. Can you say where the following live? Okay. So the first is silkworm. Silkworm lives in cocoon. Write down C-O-C-O-O-N, cocoon. Okay, C-O-C-O-O-N, cocoon. Lion, den. D-E-N, den. Bird, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. And what about dog? Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Fish, aquarium. A-Q-U-A-R-I-U-M, aquarium. Pig. Stand. S-T-Y. Stand. Hen. Coop. C-O-O-P. Okay, so like this you have to fill the exercises. Okay children, so the first mean name the given pictures, second mean tick the correct answer, third mean name the following. Okay, name the following. Fourth mean name the rooms found in an ideal house. And the last, fifth mean can you say where the following live. Okay children, so like this you have to fill the exercise of this lesson. Okay, so here I am going to end the session now. Okay children, thank you.